To customize Best Places employment opportunities, start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the Jobs section. Here, you can browse through various job listings and filter them based on your preferences such as location, job title, and industry. The first step is to create a profile by signing up for an account, which will allow you to save your job searches and receive email alerts for new job postings that match your criteria. When creating your profile, make sure to provide accurate and detailed information about your education, work experience, and skills. Next, utilize the advanced search feature to narrow down job listings that fit your requirements. You can filter jobs by factors such as salary range, job type, and required experience. This will help you find job opportunities that align with your career goals and qualifications. Another key feature is the ability to set up job alerts, which will notify you via email when new job postings are added that match your search criteria. This ensures that you stay up to date with the latest job opportunities and can apply promptly. In addition to searching for jobs, Best Places also provides valuable resources such as cost of living calculators and city profiles. These tools can help you research and compare different locations, making it easier to decide where to apply for jobs and plan your career. To get the most out of Best Places employment opportunities, it is essential to tailor your job search and application materials to each specific job listing. Customize your resume and cover letter to highlight the skills and experiences that match the job requirements, and be sure to follow the application instructions carefully. By following these steps and utilizing the features and resources available on Best Places, you can effectively customize your job search and increase your chances of finding the right employment opportunity.